Hi there, and welcome to Your Key to Fitness. Today we are going to exercise with the little one. I'd like you to meet Nash Lang, and we are going to show you a little mommy and me workout. So we're going to start off lying down on the floor, and we're going to start with some abdominal exercises. So when you come down, you'll cross your legs. The baby just sits and rests. You can hold on to their hands and take a deep breath, and exhale, you crunch up 1, 2, and you can make it fun too. The kids love it. You start to count and they get into it, right? And this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so the added weight gives in some resistance, taking it straight up. You want to make sure that your abdominals are pulled in and you're pulling in your rib cage in order to lift yourself up. And as you pull in the rib cage, you push the belly button down and in towards your spine. 1 more. And come down. Then you can add in some tricep work, bringing your feet down, baby straight above, and elbows go right by the side of the body and straight up again. And take it down and back up. Straight down, straight up. Now you want to start when your baby's an infant. And if you think about it, they just keep gaining weight. So right now Nash is 15 pounds. So every time we do this exercise, he'll keep getting bigger and I'll just keep getting stronger. 1 more time. Yeah. And now we're going to put him down onto our shins. Again, we're going to hold on nice and tight and we're going to slowly come up and back down. So we get a little leg workout. Our abdominals have to stabilize the rest of our body. Now come up in a crunch, so use your abdominals even more and come straight up and down. And you go nice and slow so you have full control and you're holding on tight to your little one. There we go. 1 more time, 1 more time. Yeah. And slowly come back up. We're going to come up to seated. There you go. So sitting up nice and straight, and you can do this either standing or sitting on a ball or sitting on the floor. And again, we're going to do press-ups, and this time we're working more shoulders than triceps. So we're going to go straight up and straight down. Hello. Hello. There you go. Elbows again stay nice and tight to the body. Abdominals are in nice and tight. And you inhale one way and exhale the other. There we go. Yeah. 1 more time. And bring that down. So again, working on the core, so a little bit more abdominal work. We're going to start from the seated position. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, you roll your spine down, and you push him up, and you bring him back up, and you slowly roll back up, and you want to roll through the spine so the abdominals are nice and tight. You roll down, and then you push baby up, get a little arm workout in there, and you slowly roll up, squeezing from those abs. And again, take it down, baby goes up, and come back down. And slowly roll up. 1 more time, coming down. Baby goes up. And come back down. And slowly go up. And we're going to come right back down again. Arms are up. Legs are up into the air. So you're going to push your heels together. Baby's going to come back down. Big deep breath. And as you exhale, pull the knees out to the side. And pressing straight back up. And back down. And up. So now we're working inner thighs. There's very little resistance from the little one, but at least he's somewhat entertained and just kind of being a part of the group. There we go. Yeah. Straight up, straight down. So the soles of your feet are parallel to the sky. Your knees turn out as you go out, and as they come back up, they turn back in, getting your inner thigh straight up, and really pushing through your feet, pretending like you had a lot of weight on the tips of your feet. 1 more time. Yeah, and bring those legs down. Big deep breath. And exhale and slowly come up. There we go. So now from straight in, you want to sit up nice and tall. Chest is up, feet are straight out. Big deep breath. Exhale, coming up. And trying to keep your arms as straight as you can on the way down. And deep breath, arms are bent, they come up. Then they go straight, they come down. Arms are bent, they come up. And straight out and come down. So working shoulders 1 more time. Bring it in. Straight up. And take it down. 1 more. Bring it in. Up. And take it down. And have a seat here, my buddy. So we would like to thank you for joining us on our little Mommy and Me workout. It's a great way for you and your child to have fun and get a little exercise in. So have a great afternoon. Bye for now.